morning to one and all present here. Myself Divesh Raurav from Rashtramatha Jujhar Defence Academy stood up before you to speak on a national topic, India's freedom fighter and their struggle for our independence. So today I am going to talk about Subhash Chandra Bose. So as you know, Subhash Chandra Bose is also entitled as Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, and he was born on 23rd January 1897 in Cuttack, Orissa, to a well-educated family. And he was deeply influenced by the teachings of Swami Vivekananda, who also lead to join Indian National Congress. Bose's unwavering dedication toward India's independence lead to become president of Indian National Congress in 1938. However, his difference with Mahatma Gandhi and other Congress leaders led him to resign Indian National Congress in 1939. He then formed Forward Bloc, a political party who also aimed to unite people who all were fighting for our Indian independence. His political career was full of controversies, but his passion for independence never devastated. Keeping this in mind, he formed an army, also named as Indian National Army, in 1942. Bose's leadership and his hope against Indian independence inspired soldiers to fight against enemy for India's independence. The enemy marched towards India, but they were stopped by the British soldiers in Burma, and Bose had to flee to Japan to avoid capture. Subhash Chandra Bose's contribution in our Indian independence cannot be expressed in words. And he was a true patriot. He sacrificed his life for his motherland. His leadership qualities and the passion for the freedom continue to inspire nowadays younger generation too. Bose's famous slogan "Jai Hind, Victory to India" is still used to these days to express patriotism and love for the country. At the end, his contribution to the India's independence movement will never be forgotten. And our great leader, courageous freedom fighter Subhash Chandra Bose took his last death on 18th August 1945 due to a plane crash in Taiwan. Rest in peace, Subhash Chandra Bose. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.